Sandali lang ah.
Hi everyone! Good morning from Osaka, Japan. This is your Mami Kat and welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because we are going to Shirakawa-go. Nag-book tayo ng day tour sa Klook and ipapakita ko na lang ang mga details dito sa screen na to. It is currently 5:45 and ang Shinkansen natin going to Nagoya is at 6:15 a.m. So if you wanna see kung anong meron doon, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa Shin Osaka Station. This is our Shinkansen ticket that we booked on Klook. And we are going in. So itong QR code na to, isascan lang natin dito sa mga gate na to. Alright, so nakuha na natin ang ating Shinkansen ticket at papunta na tayo ngayon sa Shinkansen area. Nandito na ang Shinkansen train natin. We just arrived here at Nagoya at palabas na tayo and maghahanap na tayo ng ating kakainan ng breakfast. So guys, you really need to keep the ticket because you have to use this to go out of the station here at these gates. So guys, dito ang meet-up place natin dito sa may Silver Clock. And nandito na rin ang aming tour guide and we're just waiting for the tour guide to lead us to the bus station. Yan yung may silver na flag or gray na flag. Yan yung tour guide namin. Kanina, nag-quick breakfast lang kami sa may Starbucks yung mga bata sa McDonald's. Hindi ko na na-film yun kasi nagmamadali na lahat. So ngayon, papunta na tayo sa ating bus. Sabi ng tour guide, may heavy snowfall ngayon sa Shirakawa-go. So, hopefully not too heavy para matuloy ang pagbaba natin sa Shirakawa-go. Sobrang lamig ngayon guys. It's currently 6 degrees Celsius. At dun sa pupuntahan natin, it will be 0 or negative pa. So, good luck. Good luck sa atin sa lamig. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng tour bus and we are going to Takayama. Wait lang guys, tignan nyo, ang ganda. May snow na. Ganda, diba? Okay, so ang first stop natin ay ang Takayama. We will be staying there for 1.5 hours. Then after that, it will be a 1.5 hour trip to Shirakawa-go and we'll be staying there for 2 hours. Ang sabi ng tour guide natin na may weather forecast daw ng heavy snowfall mamayang hapon sa Shirakawa-go. So, binago na ang itinerary natin. Ang unang pupuntahan natin ngayon ay ang Shirakawa-go and then in the afternoon na daw ang Takayama para hindi tayo sumabay sa heavy snowfall mamayang hapon. Guys, tignan nyo, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Legit na winter wonderland. Guys, finally, nandito na tayo sa Shirakawa-go and it's snowing! Grabe guys, sobrang ganda dito. And the snow is so white. Woo! Ganda. Super nice. Winter wonderland talaga mo. Look.
You happy?
Yes. Oh, ganda. Okay, so tatawid tayo dito sa may suspension bridge. And look at the snow. Puting-puti. Grabe. Ang kapal ng snow. Oh. Grabe. One, two, three, go.
Sandali lang ah.
Yes ba o no? Hindi mo yan! Yes! Woo! Saan ba? Hindi ko alam.
Left.
Ito, Faith, ayaw mong lumuhod?
Isa pa.
Matanda na mo. Luhod! Luhod!
Luhod, luhod! Luhod, luhod, luhod!
Yay! Woo! Can I see the ring? Can I see the ring? Can I see the ring? Hindi ko in-expect. Woo! Wait lang, wait lang. Ganun nyo, ganun nyo. Wow! Woo! Family picture.
Anong masasabi ninyo?
Sa proposal,
Oo.
I was so surprised. I did not expect it at all because magsa 16 years na kami and all of a sudden, yes, finally, we're getting married. It's about time.
It's about time!
Yes.
Yay! Guys, guess what? I just got engaged! Nag-propose na ang asawa ko sa akin. Ang weird, no? Nag-propose ang asawa ko kasi hindi pa kami kasal. So, dito siya nag-propose sa Shirakawago. So, we were just posing for a picture dun sa may banda dun. And then, yun, bigla siya nag-propose. And I was wondering why everyone was putting their phones out and taking pictures. Yun pala, yun na yun. Magpro-propose na pala si Praise. So happy! Your mama's getting married! I'm getting married, guys! Daniel, your mama's getting married to your papa. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yay! Gaano mo katagal mo nang alam to?
I forgot.
You forgot?
Basta sinabi niya, nung nasa dinner table kami pero wala kayo doon.
Oo, sa bahay. Ikaw, yan ah. How long did you know about this?
Since Boracay.
Since Boracay, so that was last year. Ikaw ah, galing mo magtago ah.
I know. I'm Sly Fox.
I'm getting married, Mama! I'm getting married!
Oh, iyak na yun.
Wow! Ma, ayaw niya yata ikakasal ako.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Mai. I love you, Mai. wala na yung wifi eh.
Wala na yung wifi.
Nandito na tayo sa observatory deck. And I'm tired. Hinihingal ako kasi grabe ng akit dito. Ay, because of the fog and the snow, wala na masyadong makita dito sa Shirakawa-go Village. Pero sobrang, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Pero sobrang ganda pa rin, guys. Super. You should go here, guys. It's 100% worth it to go to. Okay guys, so nakababa na ulit tayo from the observatory deck and we are now going back to the tour bus.
2, 3. Go, JD! I can barely move in the snow.
Wala na si JD, di na makaano. Hi guys! Sobrang lamig ngayon. My hands are freezing, but I don't want to put gloves on because I'm just newly engaged. Yay!
Get married.
So Japan will always be a very special place for me, especially Shirakawa-go Village. Huwag kayong magtaka kung bakit hindi masyado nagpapakita ang aking husband-to-be, Nax. Kasi camera shy talaga yun. Whew. Hi guys! Sobrang ganda dito. Tingnan niyo naman yung view. Amazing. And it's snowing, so it makes it even more cinematic, right? So, if you guys are coming to Japan, don't skip Shirakawa-go because it is a beautiful, beautiful village. At nag-iingat ako na hindi ako madudulas. Bye-bye, Bye-bye, Shirakawa-go! And something special happened here. I'm engaged. Yes. Hi guys, so we are here now at the second stop, which is Takayama. And this is how it looks like here. Ayan. So, may mga souvenir shops, then may mga restaurants like Takayama Ramen and Hida Beef. And this is where we will have our lunch at Hida Takayama Noodle. Ayan. So, ito ang kanilang menu. And the way you order here is through a vending machine or a vending machine. Pakita ko sa inyo. So dito nyo i-order ang iyong food. So we have choices of different kinds of ramen. Like the Takayama noodle and egg, 980. And yung my meat is 1,380. Insert nyo lang dito ang bill. Kung coins ang pera nyo, dyan nyo ilalagay. Then, press nyo lang. Then, lalabas na ang ticket. And then, you have to give it to the staff. Ayan. So, ganito ang itsura sa loob. So, dito na tayo upo. Ayan. Ito na ang order namin na gyoza. 500 yen for 6 pieces. So, dumating na ang ating food. Ito ang Takayama noodles with egg and meat. Sarap. Kaya na, ganun din, pero mas konti lang yung meat niya. Kay Daniel, gyoza. At sa husband-to-be ko, same kami ng order. Alright, so kain na tayo. Alright, so tikman na natin. Kain na tayo. Tikman muna natin ang sabaw. Sarap. Very light yung sabaw. Not creamy at all. Very savory. And yeah, yun lang yung alam ko mga terms na pwede kong i-describe. Sarap guys. Lalo na sa ganitong kalamig na panahon. Very good. Ngayon naman, yung noodles niya. So, Takayama is known for the ramen with curly noodles. Sa pagkakaalam ko, soy-based ang broth ng Takayama ramen. Tikman naman natin ang meat.
Bagay ang ramen ko pag marami.
Lambot and fatty. Sarap. Okay, so time for the gyoza. Sausaw natin. Sarap guys, kung nandito kayo sa Takayama, try nyo to. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang restaurant which serves Hida beef nigiri. At nag-order tayo ng isang set. Ito ang in-order natin. Hida beef. Torch. Wow. So nice.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is the set. This one is worth 900 yen. At tikman na natin. Alright, so try na natin tong Hida beef nigiri. Yum! Kakamayin ko na lang. At isang subo. Ang sarap. Sobrang lambot. Wait lang guys. Sobrang lambot ng beef. Melts in your mouth. Then it's very savory. The fat is well distributed. And super sarap. So, so kung nandito So, kung nandito kayo sa Takayama, give this a try. Highly recommended. Ha?
The plate. Eat the plate.
At kainin na rin natin ang plato. Ang sarap din ng ano.
Fish.
Hindi. Lasa siyang corn. Parang corn. Sarap guys. So ito ang itsura ng isang old street dito sa Takayama na yung mga structures dito ay nung Edo period pa. Very well known ang Takayama for their master woodworkers. They are even exempted from tax in Kyoto. And saan pa ba yung isa? Kyoto and Nara because of their skills in woodcraft. Dahil sa sobrang galing nila, exempted na sila sa tax. Super lamig ngayon. And dahil inuna natin ang Shirakawa-go kanina, dahil nga may weather forecast ng heavy snowfall in the afternoon, so inuna natin yung Shirakawa-go. Kaya ngayon, na hapon na, dito sa Takayama, marami ng saradong shops and restaurants kasi maaga daw talaga nagsasarado dito ang mga restos and shops. Buti nga may nahanap pa tayong kainan dito ng Takayama ramen at saka yung Hida beef kanina. Super sarap guys. If you have any plans to go here sa Takayama, then must try ang Takayama ramen and Hida beef nigiri. So ngayon pabalik na kami sa bus because it's so cold and our hands are freezing already. And yung mga kasama namin, hindi na nila kaya maglakad and wala na rin masyadong makikita ngayon eh. So let's go back to the tour bus. Hi guys, and we are now back at the hotel and your mommy cat's engaged! Yay! I'm gonna celebrate a bit with the kids and my husband-to-be. Yeah. Okay, so tatapusin ko na ang video na to dito. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to... I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. This is your Mommy Cat, now signing off. Till my next one. Bye guys! Mwah! Abangan yung mga susunod na Japan vlogs. Bye! Today's vlog is gonna be about shopping, food. Dito tayo ngayon sa Dotonbori Street. Pabonggahan talaga sila, no? Nandito tayo sa New Balance ngayon. Nandito tayo sa may ABC Mart Grand Stage. Dito tayo sa Daiso ngayon. Para siyang Marugame Udon. Dito na ang order natin, ang sukiyaki set.